Hello everyone, I'm Zannatul Ferdous. Now we'll talk about information and communication technology trend in business. Here is the outline of my full PowerPoint presentation. I like to start my presentation with a quotation of Michael Dell. He said that our business is all about technology, yes, but it is also about operations and customer relationships. From this statement, we can understand that how ICT trend is important for business process. For this purpose, we have segmented our business type in four categories and also put some trend. First is the large. In part of large, I have selected Samsung because it is the largest, worldwide largest company who has around 289,439 full-time employees. For them, I have selected trend. Business trend is cloud computing and artificial intelligence. Second come medium. The medium business is ITC. It is an e-commerce online based marketplace. For that, their trend is automation and mobile app. After that, the small one is Sigma Systems Canada LP. Again, the trend is smart technology named technopedagogy and big data analytics. Finally, come new single person startup, and the business is ready real estate. And the trend of their business is augmented reality and again artificial intelligence. Now first come business process diagram of Samsung. So in the PowerPoint we can see a diagram. In the middle of the diagram there is a smart things cloud. So we understand that there is a many more connections of technology with the devices and other stuffs. As we know that Samsung is the biggest device company, and it's basically the South Korean company where their first invention is black and white televisions. So here we can see that there is a hub connected, direct connected, and automation, other stuffs, and smart things connected, third party connected. So all these are connected to transfer, taking and updating their data and other settings as well. So first trend is cloud computing Samsung. Cloud company you already saw the previous diagram that the reason behind using this cloud computing is that it have access backup, so we can restore all the data settings, app, like software platform, virtual desktop service, everything on this cloud computing. If we lost our data, but we can get it from this trend. But there is two risks though of this cloud computing. First one is that it has limited space, so the space is not available. The another risk is that is internet connection. So in the diagram we also see that there is a router, so it has to have the internet connections, because without it we can't operate this trend. The second trend is artificial intelligence. This trend is used to automate the complex and subtle process of designing cutting-edge computer chips, because it maintains the interactions within the device on a regular basis, whether it is at home or a workplace. That means that artificial intelligence is taking all the information from cloud computing. As a result, it takes time to respond. This is the one of the risks, and the second one is that it is in maintaining the interactions, so it is unpleasant of safer privacy. Uh, the After that, the medium business process is ETC. So here we can see that ITC has a flowchart, like they are ordering, updating the orders, they are taking and updating the stocks and orders as well. So it is we know that already mentioned in e-commerce based marketplace for buying and selling. It also helps to enable artists to sell and buy handmade and unique products, and provide a global marketplace for handmade and other wares. And the so in the diagram it is visible that in part of final inventory they have QuickBooks, report data and purchase order. So we'll talk about it later in details. The trend one, automation. So this automation is used to record about the sales information. We already saw that there is a QuickBooks. It is known as a spreadsheet which record all the transactions automatically by using the accounting software. Beside recording the transaction, it also adds the customer's email address when they purchase any item. But the problem of this trend is that it is expensive and no play flexibility, as automatically all the information is recorded, so there is no chance modifying or changing anything, so it is rigid. The second trend is mobile app. Yes, so we can buy and sell so many stuffs and products through its a mobile app. Suppose I am an entrepreneur, I want to sell my product, so I have to write the details of my product. So it help me to be ethical entrepreneur, as well as it also enrich my e-commerce knowledge how to operate this mobile app. In the diagram we see that they have there is some dashboard data center as well, so from that uh, a web seller can understand and learn how to operate these stuffs for sell a product. Again, the problem is that for every sale, seller has to share their 3.5% profit, which is gone to the its profile. And the second problem is that we cannot put any item. There is some restriction and limitations of brand opportunities as well. Furthermore, the small business is Sigma Systems Canada LP. It basically focused on providing service in technological and management sector areas. That's why they are trying to bring innovations to enhance the quality of output. As it's the software application, so they offer software solution that streamline the design, sales, delivery, and management of data. In the diagram, it also visible that they have the service enterprise. From there, the order request is gone, pre-business process, and there are some stages as well. And finally, all these service enterprise goes to the vendor systems and customer request. The first trend is smart technology, technopedagogy. This technology is used for online education and service. It also provides training and value creation because all the instructions and our courses are instructed based on this technology. The risk of this using this smart technology is lack of understanding about the technology because we have to learn about how to operate this technology. The second risk is that higher education cannot be solved as it is basically focused on the primary education, primary learning, so higher level is not possible to solve it. The second trend is the big data analytics. By using this trend, they designed to help communication service provider for taking smart decisions. As their purpose is to improve their communication, to expanding their performance and reducing cost because they are trying with their level best to provide and deliver the best service. As a result, they are as a result they are facing to track all the performance as they are expanding the communication, so it hard to centralize the structure and unstructured data. Then come the small business, this new single startup business which is own ownership, only one ownership. The business is ready real estate. This business is also using different technologies to enhance their service quality that we can see from the slide. Um, the purpose of this business process diagram is that they're trying their best to represent the land with superior quality in front of their customers so that they can get uh, confidence and reliable to buy their product. For this, they also use persuasive technologies and strategies. And their first trend is augmented reality. This augmented reality is that they first offer a unique try before you buy model. That means that they are showing their their virtual frame in front of their customers. And they take these footage by using drone and 3D technology so that customers can be attracted to buy the model. Again, the problem of this augmented reality is that it has to maintain the trust of customers and also is costly to capture the model as well. The second trend is artificial intelligence. This trend helps them to increase their customers' experience and interest in buying like that. This augmented intelligence provide a demo the trend analysis of how market and submarket will grow annually or quarterly, and so overall this trend is helps to take a decision wisely and take help to make a deal among the customers and the sellers. But the risk is that it's difficult to cover within budget. and because customers intentions and their decision system is selective, they are not always preferred to buy every model. That's all from me. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, please feel free to send an email on this email address. And finally, I love to finish my presentation by saying a quotation that the human spirit must prevail over technology, said by Albert Einstein. Thank you for being with me.